St. Clair the Pirate.
Yeah.
You're good with the earring too. How you doing, man? That was so cool. Come out here and see Salt Spring Air. I love it. That's the only way to fly. Well, that's the only way Wayne flies.
Yeah, Harold's at the top.
That's the best airline service on Salt Spring Island. People all over the world will see this. Here we go, man. And how many planes do you guys have?
We got 4 airplanes.
You got 4 airplanes?
Yeah.
So how long does it take you? Your office is in Ganges, right in Grace Point Square.
Yes.
And how long does it take you to fly? And you leave from the harbor, not the Harbor Authority.
We go to 2 places, both downtown Vancouver Harbor.
Oh, okay,
as well as
okay.
Richmond.
Oh, okay. And you leave from the Coast Guard down in that area, or just Kanaka? Is it Kanaka?
Yeah, we leave at the Breakwater Dock.
Oh, okay.
Right in front of Kanaka and the Coast Guard.
And how long does it take you to fly from Salt Spring to downtown Vancouver? 20 minutes?
20 minutes.
20 minutes from landing to take off the landing. That's way better than taking the ferry.
Oh, it's way better.
Yeah,
if
no,
you do
that's...
it once, you'll never do it. You'll always...
No, absolutely. So that's a de Havilland Beaver?
De Havilland Beaver.
They're good
built in
planes.
Canada.
What year? Is that an old one or is that a new one?
That is 1956.
Yeah, they're old, huh?
Oh, yeah.
But they last forever, these planes. I heard they're like the best.
The very first test pilot that flew the Beaver owned that particular
Is that
registration.
right? Wow.
And I had him in the airplane flying it this April. He was 92 years old.
No way.
Still has a license.
How many people does that one hold?
That'll hold 6 passengers
6.
plus.
And the luggage, you got some room for
Oh,
luggage
lots
in there.
of
That is so beautiful.
It's got a range of 500 miles.
Is that right? So you fly over to the Big Island, you're going to go to Vancouver Island?
Yeah, we go anywhere you want, but on a scheduled basis, we're out of the Gulf Islands, out of Pat Bay, Maple Bay.
Oh, okay. Nanaimo, not Nanaimo.
Not Nanaimo,
No.
but we do service that. We service Chemainus,
Okay.
Maple Bay,
Cool.
Ladysmith.
That's awesome. That's a beautiful plane too. Nice and clean, nice and shiny, and it's going to look good on my video. Thanks for the interview. There's the dude right there. There's the pirate number 2, pirate number 3, pirate number 4. And there's Salt Spring Air.
Thanks, Joe.
You guys watch this. Absolutely.